to part 2
of
us jumping around. Okay, no, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Double pogo. Wait, I'm a double pogo stick.
Okay, your double pogo. Wait, double pogo stick. What's that?
Actually, you line them up like this.
They can't even see. They're looking at Josh.
So guys, you line the pogo sticks up like this.
They're looking at the ground.
They see the pogo sticks.
Yeah, that's good.
So, and then you get on it. But I.
Okay, can I try that out?
Sure.
I actually want to try that. This is something that it looks pretty cool. Oh God, I'm scared. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. If I fall. Okay, that was weird.
Try jumping around.
Try jumping around.
Alright, go from there to there to there.
Good boy, good boy. Hold on, go to lines and back up. How do you line these up? Oh, who's a boy? Who's a lucky good boy?
Who's a boy? Who's a boy?
It's so true. I can't. It's hard. But what I can do is I can do is I can
Who's a good boy?
I can jump here and then I can go. I can jump back. What just happened?
The pogo stick fell and knocked like 50% of the shoes off.
Well, guys, the blue pogo stick fell. Not this one. The phone fell, and now I'm
Thoroughly concerned for humanity.
Okay, guys, see you when everything's ready. Guys, welcome back. This is, guys, so we are painting the shed stuff, but I just want to do a little bit of red before. Oh, God.
Hi guys, I'm Josh. And
Oh, and I'm Josh. And I'm jumping. Into a punching bag.
Ella.
Ella. Why? Okay, guys. So,
Are you done with Kagami and Cheetah?
Kagami? You mean Kaguya?
No.
So, guys, let's go. Guys, so tomorrow we have a really interesting video coming up.
What we're gonna be doing is
No, don't say it.
what we're gonna be
Owen, tomorrow. Don't tell.
what we're gonna be doing is painting these
No.
clay things today.
Oh, good you said what we're doing today. Well, clay things. Really clay things.
Guys, I have my little Walmart logo over here and my Sharingan. Oh, there's a white spot.
What do you mean, wait? Oh, well, that's fine.
I'm gonna have to paint it.
Owen, well, not with red, it's black. Guys, so there's my smiley.
All right, black up
Here.
up this side.
Here is
She's sweet.
she's sweet. And here's my guys. So some of them got like stuck to here. So like some of my things have like this guy has like paper on him on the back. See, and here's my chicken. My chicken.
Stop it, Josh.
Josh. Oh. Sorry. He wasn't licking his tail. You made me think he was licking his tail.
He was licking his tail.
Oh, yeah,
Then he
so
changed.
guys, I am gonna have a paint for Owen since I have nothing
Black.
else to do. Black is easy.
You could peel that blue out of there right there.
Oh wait, I can. Oh, I need my puncturing.
No, but like you can peel this.
Shoot. Yeah, I know. Wait, hold on.
Peel it from the other side. There's a whole crack in everything.
Oh god, it is like, guys, this is like Owen's telling me to peel this off, but this is still, oh my god, it is. I knew there was like some wet paint inside because it's so squishy. It's like, oh my god. Well, no point in washing my hands now because we are still out in the art area. I painted everything. I still have.
Famous artists keep their hands clean, you know.
Famous artists, I've seen them get their hands messy, but they don't leave because they know that their art might be messy sometimes.
So anyway, black me up.
Okay, okay. Black is hard to find. Well, it's not that hard, but like sometimes you think it's green because of the
Well, don't you stay in another pair of jeans? Don't you try and stay in another pair of jeans?
I'm not. Okay. So I made a mistake.
That's green.
It's fine. This isn't green.
Yes, it is. You see that green right there?
Oh, it tricked you. It's black. It was from that day we were like painting on canvas.
Why is there blue in there?
I told you that mistake. But I can mix in the blue.
No, I don't need no mixed in blue.
No,
I need pure black.
It's fine. Just mix in. And voila. Okay, now that I have black on my brush, what can I paint black? What can I paint? What is something I can paint in here that we aren't painting together already? I see. Ooh. Because this box, we could color this box and just like put some stuff inside. So maybe I can
Maybe I shouldn't have done this with a thick brush, but anyway, it is a...
Wait. Why'd you make a circle and a dot?
The pupil and the circle where the tomo goes.
Okay. There's gonna scoot that over more toe.
So now we gotta wait for that to dry, and then we will draw.
Oh yeah, you said it would be 3 days. So I'm just gonna go.
What are you? Io.
I've messed up on the end.
In. You know the word is imposter. If that's what you're drawing. Or important. Oh yeah, it is. Important. Why is that stick for the end so long? Wait. Isn't it important? Yeah, this should be an M, shouldn't it?
Well, it can be anything now that it looks like that. Wait, yeah, it is important. I messed up. But still, it looks like a big D. Wait, hold on. Kind of things I made with clay. They're just piling up here.
So guys, I'm going to rinse off my paintbrush so I can paint the Walmart logo. I almost forgot about it.
Yeah, that's why you were sitting there. Okay, guys, so now I just turned into a blob because I tried to okay. I can just I can just like, wait, hold on. I can color it over with another color. So make sure I really don't get any black inside the blue.
Boy, if you put some black. Now I know you didn't get that gray in there.
Important things. Now, this is important
No.
thing.
Heck!
Oh, shoot.
The blue.
So, guys, maybe I can... Oh, my God, it's just purple. Okay, so now I'm going to paint...
Okay, I'm just going to color it all blue and then redo the yellow once the blue dries.
Oh. Wait.
It's the only
Wait, yellow? Owen?
Yeah?
Don't do that.
Why?
It's going to make green.
It's not going to make green.
Owen. Oh, wait, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's not... You're not going to have it dry. It's going to dry first. Okay,
Boom!
how about you?
You want to drink some water?
No. Okay, so Owen's gonna paint something while he waits too, because he's not just gonna do what he does in every other video. Oh my God, the lights! Lights!
Do you want to build a snowman?
No.
Do you want to have a ball?
No.
Do you want to see? Go in my room, eat mushrooms, and then do the fall.
What's the fall?
You know, get on the bed, then fall down.
No.
Then you go.
Okay, so what Owen's gonna paint is.
Are you telling me what I'm gonna paint? Are you You know what?
Owen,
Bottle.
don't you do this?
Opening the bottle.
Don't you even open
Opening the
it?
bottle.
I just am telling you because
The bottle has been opened.
Owen.
Yeah.
Owen. So Owen's gonna paint. What is he gonna paint?
Exactly. You can't even think of.
I'm trying to find.
Hey, where's your paperwork, my guy that says you own me?
Oh, Owen's gonna paint this, and he can use it as his fan after it's painted. A custom made. I can move these out the way for you. Where do you want me to put them?
Just. Enogen.
Yeah.
Enogen.
Yeah. Yamanaka.
Yama knockoff.
Oh.
I'm gonna paint the most ultimate design on here. And it's gonna require mass amounts of paint. So which of these has the most amount of paint in it?
Owen. The most amount of paint in. I think this is still paint. You see, marbling paint.
But it's liquid.
Well, that's the most thing. Wait. This has.
How much red do we have?
How much?
The red's right there beside the red dye. Don't you? I know me.
Feel it. Not a lot. I'm sure it's hard.
Need
The
more.
brown has the most paint, but I still need that for drawing people like you. Or me.
How much See, I think the gray can work.
Freaking gray. Okay, this gray.
I need mass amounts. How much black do we have?
Owen, we don't have a lot of black, but we have some black.
Alright, excuse me, coming through. Dual.
I still need this gray.
Don't move that because I might need more.
I won't. I know you didn't need more because you said maximum. Do not bring this over my important things box. Because guys, when this dries, we're going to be able to just open it up and like it's going to be so
Here we go.
cool. Like right now, I put that.
Take a
and
dip.
I put that. It's an important thing. Okay. So after, man. So guys, we're just gonna pat. What am I gonna need? I'm gonna need orange for this because I love orange. That's my favorite color, by the way, guys. If you didn't know, orange is my favorite color. No, I'm just kidding. I barely ever told you that. You spelled fan. Owen, don't tell me that's the only thing you're going to write on it, though. Please. You might need the camera to go, like, over your shoulder. Like, put it back here and, like, have it over. So, like, we run 2 videos at once, and the camera's, like, over your shoulder. So one video is showing that you write on that. But, like, just thoughts. I'm going to need some orange because I'm going to go. My hand is shaking so much. Like, guys, if you don't even know how shaky my hand gets when I'm doing it.
Because you're not precise.
Yeah, you're right. I'm not precise.
Just reinforcing my letters. And don't worry, it's not the only thing I'm going to write. Once this dries, I'm going to write fan on the back.
Make sure to add some color, please, because if you don't add color around it, then it defeats the whole purpose.
So you want me to make it backdrop color, huh?
Yeah, well, you can add designs, too.
Oh, I got a quick little design I could do.
Quick. Why is everything quick with you?
Well, like, it shouldn't take forever to draw a piece of cardboard.
Well, it shouldn't take...
I'm going to need golden brown to draw a piece of cardboard here.
Golden brown.
Just kidding. I'm going to need black to start with.
Well, I'm going to need
Actually,
yellow.
No. I'm going to need red to start with.
Guys, so this is...
Hand it over.
If you're going to use a lot of red...
I don't know how much. Well, it's going to be small, so... But I'm going to need sufficient amounts. That's not going to work. Why are you doing it like we're pouring a drink at a bar? Jeez.
Because...
Man's pouring me a shot.
Eek. 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 Eek.
Purple.
It's right here.
Give me that then. I'm just gonna...
Owen, do not pour that out. I'm gonna pour it. These are my birthday presents.
That I gave you.
Huh? You didn't give me it. Oh my god, that's beautiful. I'm not messing with that. Oh, yo.
Right.
Holy.
That's enough.
Oh my god.
You trying to get purple all over your important things box?
No. Oh wait, I love purple. Don't question. Hey guys, people can like purple.
But can people like Sakura?
Yes. They can. But not a lot of people do.
Alright, purple. Stat.
What are you gonna do with all that purple? Oh, okay, I think I know you. Okay, well, what did I say I was gonna, oh yeah, wait, I need to add yellow first. Why did I do this before I...
Light's brightening my eyes.
Light's brightening your eyes, okay. This, like, we used a lot of yellow in the past.
Oh, let's see, what else do I need
And
to
I
draw?
think... Okay, let's stop. The viewers' ears are hurting. What am I gonna... What color? Oh yeah, purple. I like purple.
Okay. Now I need all this paint to dry to fill in my designs. You heard me?
Wait, hold on. What are you gonna do?
I need this paint to dry so I can fill in these designs I've made.
Okay, what else can you draw now? Wait, what else can you paint now? I don't want you just to sit somewhere while I paint. I want everyone to be like in the Start Studio doing something. Well, not a studio. It's not a studio. Because in everything.
Well, I can do some research. Not that kind of research.
Try something.
No, not that type of research.
Yes, that type of research.
No, not that type of research. I'm researching on ways to make money.
What? Oh, wait, what do you need $2,000 for again?
Secrets.
Oh, and you told me this before.
Yes,
so.
I told you. But I didn't tell 29 subscribers.
Whisper it to me again. Can you do it? I forgot. Oh, and it was... Wait. I thought you were going to get that for Christmas. Yeah, I need ways to make money too. Oh yeah, I need to get everything in my shopping cart. That would be amazing. That would be like a dream come true. So now, guys,
well, if you want me to do something, I can help you paint your important things box.
what are you gonna do for that?
I can draw like I can write. I can write it something like, you know, I could put on there a picture of your, I can draw a showering gun.
Well, yeah, but that'll take days to do.
days. It wouldn't take days. It might take a day. Not days.
It would take days because
I'll be white boy.
Where are you going? Are you leaving the studio?
Leaving the studio.
Well, are you leaving
Right block.
the garage though?
Huh?
Are you leaving the garage
For
though?
like 5 seconds.
5 seconds. Okay, I'll be waiting for 5 seconds.
Well, not exactly.
Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Owen didn't take 5 seconds.
What? I'm jealous.
Coming in here gassing.
I'm not.
Yes. What'd you even do? You should have said that out loud.
Why would I say that out loud?
Because the viewers need to know more about our lives.
But they don't need to know that. That's not something they need to know.
Okay, fine. Fine, because there's something that, guys, if you're wondering what it is, nothing. It's nothing. Don't worry about it. So we'll tell you other things other than that. Because some things Owen wants to keep secret.
Yes, and get Goose respects that.
Oh shoot! I forgot about what the screen does.
What do you mean? It just makes things green, right?
Oh, and this is like a watery green.
Well, of course I told you. Wait, oh, that green. And you already know.
I wanna drop out of college. No, I'm just kidding.
Derek's to fail.
What'd you say?
You know, all these successful YouTubers I found, they're like, a lot of very successful YouTubers, somehow they're successful, yet all of them either dropped out of high school or out of college.
Oh, yeah. Why are you saying somehow they're successful?
You can't be successful without a full education.
You sure about that?
If you don't get a full education, you spend your life making videos eating disgusting ice creams. And then what happens if YouTube's not your destiny? You're stuck being a gardener for the rest of your life.
Well, I've seen people who dropped out of college who are now like really pros at like maybe they're well not maybe, but they sometimes they code, sometimes they make like really good games.
Without a full degree in animation and stuff, you can't make a game. If you were to get a full degree in it, you would have been able to make a way better game.
Well, yeah, but they didn't. But they're on the list of best games made. So how could you say that?
Name one.
Name one.
Mhm.
Name one. How am I supposed to know these people's names?
No, I mean name a game that's made by some unsuccessful dropout.
Oh. Okay. I don't know the name. I don't know the name of the games.
You don't.
I don't.
Then how do you know that they made them?
Well, because Because they said.
So they say, oh yeah, I made a really good game and I'm a high school dropout. Yeah, because that's really believable.
Oh no, they didn't. They didn't just go up and say that, but like. Bro, just why don't you believe me? Why don't you believe me? Why? Why don't you believe me?
I'm just saying, there's no way you cannot get a full degree in animation, programming, or anything else of that kind, and make a game as successful as something like Minecraft. I know Minecraft wasn't made by some college dropout. Although I don't really care for Minecraft. I'm just saying, it's too good of a game to be made by someone of that low tier.
Okay, stop. Okay, Owen, people have some opinions, but just don't say good like that because if you say that, it's just like because you can't say that because not everyone has their opinion like that. You can just say it's too good to be like you can just say that.
It's just, I don't know, but like, you done over there, sir? Do you want to go outside?
I think you need to go outside. Yeah, you need to go outside. He ran straight to the door as soon as I opened it. Oh, I should do like a Halloweeny theme.
32 minutes. 32 minutes.
Oh, bye guys. See you in the next part. Peace.